Good morning, sports car world. It is Saturday morning, about 8:30. Cody here, and I am going to rip into some 2020 Top Series 2. So, without further ado, we're just going to rip. Hopefully, you guys have a great day today. First day I've got up in a while. I didn't have to do anything first thing in the morning, so I'd like to get this Saturday started off with a little MLB Series 2. See who we get for our first coin, and it's Aaron Judge. Very nice. We got Danny Mendick. Keston Herrera card there. Brian Buxton. Alright, so first pack. Damn. Alright, guys, here we go. Got a Kyle Garlick rookie. John Birdie rookie. Terry Mancini. Zach Plesac. Bob Gibson All-Star. Nice card. Zoot. TJ Zolch. Kim rookie. And so I think I pretty much got everything out of this deck. I opened a lot of Series 2 already, so did a lot more Series 2 than I did Series 1, that's for sure. There's a gold border card. J.D. Davis. Hey, old Nolan Ryan. I'll hang on to that. Put that in my PC. Still got two more of these blasters. I'll do it later or tomorrow. We'll see. Willie Mays done. Warriors of the Diamond. Shane Bieber. Tom Eshelman. Rookie. And we got a short print. Oh, Albert Pujols. Very nice. Pete Alonso home run challenge. Ryan Sandberg. King Long. Very nice short print there. Pujols. Justin Dunn. Anthony Rendon. Matt Dias. Oh, Albies and Acuna. That's a nice card. Alright, guys, last packs here for this last one. We'll move on to the last one, number 2. There's some rookies. Hunter Harvey. Lamont Wade Jr. Mike Trout. I think I might have already got this one a couple times, but I'll get it sleeved up. Joey Votto. Really nice. And that's it, guys, for that box. Alright. I think the only thing that I really need out of here would be the Luis Robert coin. No, that's not it. Yadier Molina. Very nice. Alright. Got some Prism baseball too. Got 3 blasters of it. So I'm really excited about doing that too. There's a rookie. Yamaguchi. Brian O'Grady rookie. Blake Snell All-Star. Brock Burt. Tricky red there. And that's it for that pack. Well, there's another gold one. Nick Whitgren. Hang on to the tricky red card there. So, this has not been the greatest break. Moogie Betts, Warrior of the Diamond. Nice. Trent Grisham. A couple of them cards. Alright, guys. Getting down through here. Junior Fernandez, rookie. Got a lot of that one too. Another Hunter Harvey there. Really nice. Max Muncy. Logan Webb rookie, nice. Alright guys, our last 3 packs here. Edwin Rios. Jose Rodriguez. Freddie Freeman, really nice. Suarez. Another Albert Pujols, so hang on to that one too. Getting through. Let's see here. Tim Lopez rookie. TJ Zoots. Juan Soto. Nice. Roger Clemens. And nobody else. Alright guys, last pack. If you guys got any comments, feel free to leave them in the box. I do appreciate you new subscribers as well. Thanks a lot for subscribing to the channel. Just be sure to hit that like button. It's also appreciative. Got Griffin Canning, Lorenzo Kane. David Bednar. Trevor Story, Joe Morgan. Chipper Jones, yep. Very nice. And that's it, guys. So, wasn't the greatest break in the world. I mean, it's top series too. But I did get a Aaron Judge memorabilia coin, so that's super neat there. I did get Yadier Molina as well. So let's go ahead and put these with all my coin collection. It's going to be my heaviest box of cards probably I have. I did pull just a regular base Albert Pujols. Then I got Mike Trout here. But I got this short print of Albert Pujols. So that was really nice to be able to get this card. So definitely put that with them. And of course I got the GOAT himself, Nolan Ryan. So he will go to my PC. I got over 1,000 Nolan Ryan cards. So really like Nolan Ryan. It was a great pitcher. But yeah, if you guys got any comments, leave them in the box. Other than that, stay tuned. I'll be back here in a little while. And we're probably going to do some Prestige Football Blaster boxes 2020. So that's what I have in store. Do appreciate you guys watching the video. Thanks, and stay tuned. I'll be back with you later. Have a great day.